Hello, this is part of the troubleshooting/FAQ videos section. Typically, there are three main reasons for the display to flash 4 dashes and the instrument not sampling. These are: the instrument has been accidentally calibrated when no calibration standard was present, or the calibration standard used for the calibration has expired, or the instrument has been damaged and will need to be repaired. To determine which of these reasons apply, carefully follow the procedure as it is outlined. First, make sure that the instrument has been turned off for about 5 minutes. Then, hold down the downward button whilst turning the instrument on. The display will show test. Release all the buttons. A 4-digit value will appear. Give the instrument a few seconds to stabilize. Note this initial value and the approximate rate of change over a minute. If the initial value or the rate of change was in excess of 0.3, then it is likely that your sensor has been damaged. Contact PPM Technology or your dealer for further details. Otherwise, continue with the instrument still in test mode. With the sample nozzle inserted into a valid calibration standard, press the S button to take a sample. The display should show 0.000 as the pump starts to run and rises up to a maximum as the sample is drawn in. Wait for the value on the screen to reach a peak and then start to drop. Press and hold the downward button. The display will show you the time taken for the value to reach its peak in seconds. Make a note of this time. Then, press and hold the upward arrow button. The display will show you the peak value. Make a note of this peak value as well. Turn the instrument off by holding down the power button, leaving the instrument off for 5 minutes before repeating the tests, attempting to calibrate, or taking another sample. If the peak value recorded was less than 5, or the time value recorded was less than 5 seconds, then there may have been a problem with the sampling system or the sensor. Contact PPM Technology or your dealer for further details.